How to find hidden stories in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden stories in Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is simply swipe left to go to the stories section. And now here, once you are inside the stories section, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you just have to tap on this option that says view hidden stories. And now here, once you tap on it, it will show you all the hidden stories in Snapchat. And that's it. That's how you can find hidden stories in Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.